Hi students, great morning to all of you. Today we are going to study our next practical, that is experiment number 4. Aim is identify the acid, base and salt from the given solutions using indicator. So we have already learned universal indicator and pH paper in the previous practical. Today we will see litmus paper. Litmus paper you have already learned many times. Still we are going to see this because it is there in our syllabus. So let us see. We have test tube stand, dropper, etc. And the chemicals are litmus paper and lemon juice, sodium carbonate and water. So let us start this experiment. We have taken test tube stand. Here solution number A is lemon juice. Solution number B is sodium carbonate and solution number C is water, H2O. So we have to check with the help of litmus paper whether the given solution is acidic or basic. Now let us see one by one. We will dip red litmus paper in the first solution and then we will notice what is the change. So red litmus remained red, okay, no change. Then we will dip blue litmus paper in the first solution. We will see what will happen. Now we can see blue litmus has turned red. And when the blue litmus turns red, the conclusion is it is acid. We have already seen blue litmus turns red in acid. Now let us see the second one. Second one also we will do the same thing. First we will take a blue litmus. See, this blue litmus is not exactly blue because due to the atmospheric gases, non-metal oxides, some acids is present in atmosphere, so that's why it is started to become red, but it is not fully red because you can see here red litmus and blue litmus are different. So here we are going to dip blue litmus in the second solution. So blue litmus remains blue, you can see no change. Now we are going to see red litmus paper. Now after dipping red litmus paper in the second solution, that is solution B, you can see red litmus turn to blue, clearly you can see. And we have already seen in the previous classes bases turn red litmus blue. So the conclusion is that solution B, that is sodium carbonate, is basic in nature. So what is the observation? Red litmus turns blue, and whenever red litmus turns blue, the conclusion is it is base. Now last one. Our last solution is water. We know that acidic nature of any substance is depending on the hydrogen ion in it, hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. So in water there is one H plus ion and one OH minus ion. So when water is dissociated then we get H plus and OH minus. So H plus is showing the acidic nature, OH minus is showing the basic nature. So they both cancel each other's effect, and then that's why water is neutral in nature. Now we have to see whether water is neutral with the help of litmus paper. So first we will dip red litmus paper in solution number C or solution number third. You can see red litmus remains red. Then we can take blue litmus paper. So here blue litmus paper will dip in the solution, water solution. You can see no change. Blue litmus remained blue. So there is no change in neutral substances. Litmus paper does not show any change in neutral solutions. So here you can see there is no change on either litmus paper. So simply you can write no change. So therefore the last substance is neutral. So in this way you can use litmus paper to determine acidic, basic or neutral nature of solutions. So now we will see pH paper just for your understanding. pH paper already we have seen how to use. So these are the pH paper strips which are made by using universal indicator. So we can use pH paper also for determining the pH value, exact pH value of the solution. Now what is pH value we have already discussed in the video. So let us dip these pH papers in solution. So first solution, you can see first solution is lemon juice and pH paper has turned to orange. You can see here all the ranges are not shown, but between 1 to 3 orange color is also there. In the full pH chart you can see the color. So it is showing acidic nature. Now we will again take the other pH paper and now we will dip this pH paper into the second solution, that is sodium carbonate. So you can see the color changes blue. So this color you can match with the chart. Here you can see pH above 7 is nothing but basic nature. So here also it is showing that it is base, and here it is showing that it is a strong base because its value is matching between 12 to 14. Okay. So in this way you understood that pH paper is also showing acidic or basic nature and it is also showing its exact pH value. Now last one is water. So water is neither acidic nor basic. Water is neutral substance and neutral substances are having pH value 7 to 8. Exact neutral substance, water is actually having 7 pH value, but if water is little bit acidic or basic, then pH value may slightly differ. So here you can see greenish color is formed and this is showing nearly 8 pH value, 7 to 8. So here you can see 6 to 7, the greenish color is formed. It shows that pH value is nearly 7. Now you have to write up to this only because we have already studied the practical of pH paper and universal indicator. Only we are going to see litmus paper practical because it is already in our syllabus. It is very simple practical, but still we are doing it because it is there in our syllabus. On this practical you can see in journal page number 14. Observation table you can write exactly like this, and remaining other things are very simple question answers and inference that you can write in your own words. I hope you understood this practical. Thanks students for watching video.